Greetings and welcome to Imprinting Color. My name is Liz, aka Pezliz, and recently on a Sunday stream, I think it was Pezzy Rings, shared a model that I thought was absolutely adorable and perfect to showcase a filament that I wanted to showcase today for Imprinting Color. So the model that I'm talking about is this really cute Gothic love bat by Liligo. And I thought that is absolutely adorable. The filament that I use to print this absolutely adorable little bat is a filament that came out from Polymaker last year. And this is a special filament, the Panchroma Dual Special PLA, and the color is Yin-Yang. And the cool thing about Yin-Yang is that it is galaxy black and marble white. So you get the sparkly shimmer of the galaxy black, and of course the, as it says here, the smooth, noble marble white. So this is a really fun filament. That's a dual filament. So a dual filament means that it's a dual extrusion. So when the filament is produced, one side of the filament is one color and the other side of the filament is the other color. And so as it prints, you'll get to see both of those colors. So there's a couple fun examples here of models used for the Yin-Yang filament. But I love using little Gothic creatures because they're cute, and why not make it cuter, right? That should be my other tagline for this year, make it cute. So when slicing this bat, I had to decide, how is this filament going to look when I'm printing with dual? So I will show you two examples of the filament and how it printed, and how I came to the conclusion on how to print it. So the first one, as you can see, showcases most of the marble color. So if we take a look at this little bat and turn it, his whole backside is the galaxy black, and it slowly blends into the marble white. So we end up with this cute little shadow guy, I would say. So completely one side, the back side is completely one color, and the front is of course the other. The really cool thing about the dual filaments though is that you do get some nice shadows, and with the texture of this print, it's a really fun effect. But I said, how can I make this a little bit different? So this one was, just straight on the print bed. As Polymorph is saying in chat, business in front, party in back. Yeah, so it's a fun way to showcase the model space. And then of course you can go in and paint the heart and do things like that. But if you wanted to make it more gothy, what you can do is in your slicer, change the position on the bed, change the angle. So what I did is I thought, how can I get it so it's almost half and half, but half and half down the side of the face? So I actually went in and changed my coordinates so that the angle was more favoring to having the color split like this. Because if it was oriented like this on the bed, if it was oriented like this on the bed, remember, we've got the gray face and the black back. So if I go like this, I'm gonna get half and half. So you can do that in the slicer. You can do a test print by just printing a small cylinder to see what position your dual filament will be. And it makes it really easy to get fun effects. So, as seen before, the little bat here done with the gray, which is the marble really, the blend of the marble and the black, and then the stark white, or stark black in the back, but it's actually not. it is Galaxy, so it's very sparkly. So you can see that transition there. But for the second model, when I change the position, we've got this little bat coming out of the shadows. See? So he's really about a third and then 2/3, which is kind of fun. But that is the effect that I got. So depending on how you position him on your shelf, depending on what you decide to do with him, he'll have a fun effect. So you could continue, like in your slicer, you could continue turning it at specific angles. The one thing that I will note that for dual filament like this, there are times that the filament might get a little bit twisted, might be just the angle of your PTFE, depending on what your printer is. And you may end up with it split, you know, at a different point. And so you might end up seeing the filament change direction. Polymaker's dual filament is pretty neatly wound, and that's rarely a problem. But definitely keep an eye on it, and keep an eye on the way that your filament is going into your through to your extruder. But I really like the way this one turned out to be like a shadow, and it's really fun. So again, this filament is available from Polymaker. This is their Panchroma dual special PLA. So this is something that they're trying out with some very different materials. So you've got the Galaxy Black and the Marble White. Now Polymaker has a whole bunch of other dual colors in matte and in silks. And even more when you think of what other color combinations they have to come. So if you want to try something like this out, I highly suggest you just do a little test print and work from there. But you can have a really fun effect with the dual special PLAs. So this has been a fun, quick way to showcase a filament on imprinting color. I encourage you to play around with your dual filaments and get the best effect for you. Print cute things or print practical things in a dual filament. It's all good. Thank you so much and happy printing.